Welcome to A Day in My Life. I'm Professor Corton, and good morning, everyone. I start my day at the gym with the beautiful views and the goal of sharpening my focus and mind and energizing me for the day. Now it's time to prepare for my lectures over coffee, and then I hop on the train and head to work, doing more preparation for my afternoon lectures. Arriving at my university faculty, the excitement builds as students are expecting engaging and informative lectures and discussions. They say one of the many hats teachers wear is that of a performer. I tend to agree.
Hello, everybody.
After class, I head to my office and do some admin, an unavoidable element in the life of a teacher. And then on to my meetings here with OUP about the upcoming L-Talk in June, which incidentally you don't want to miss. Now I'm ready to do some filming. My life as a blogger is equally busy. On this day I'm recording a promotional video. Let's do this from my university. Thank you for coming with me. That's a glimpse into my day. Until next time, take care and see you around.